If you're a fan of Samsung, there's good news for you. Samsung is preparing to launch another new phone. This upcoming phone is called the Samsung Galaxy A77 5G. This Samsung phone with model number SM77B has been spotted on Geekbench. It may come with an Exynos 2400 or Exynos 2400E GPU, along with an Eclipse 940 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Run Android 16. The company is offering a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with support for a 120Hz refresh rate. It is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. This device has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now talking about the camera, its primary camera is 50 megapixels. There is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5-megapixel depth sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. There is a 32-megapixel front camera. It has a 5000 mAh battery, and 25W fast charging support is available. It's probably going to arrive around March 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.